Welcome back to the channel. Today we will create a realistic shadow effect that makes object look like it's floating in air. Every seen those product photos where the shadows look perfectly real. This trick gives that some illustration in just a few clicks. Isolate your object using quick selection tool. Duplicate the cutout layer, fill it with black and use transform distort the align to shape as shadow. Go to the filter and select blur and adjust until it looks natural. Lower opacity to around 50% and use soft razor brush to fade edges. Add a faint grady overlays for light direction. And there you go to a hyper realistic shadow that adds depth and style to your design. Subscribe for more premium tricks like this.